welcome back to my channel, and thank you all for joining me once again for another CVS deals video. This is the second week for this ad cycle, and I wish everyone a happy new week, and I hope we all have a great and successful week. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you get one or two things out of it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let's go check out these deals. First deal I have will be on Bottbees toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. This is the same deal with the Crest toothpaste and also the Oral-B toothbrushes. If you still have your 4 off 2, pick up 2 of these Bottbees toothpaste. Both will total $9.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon we received last week. That will drop it down to $5.98, and you get 4 back, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is spend $20 get $10 back, and some of the Oral-B toothbrushes are included in this deal. You can pick up the Oral-B Indicator Max toothbrush 4 counts, priced at $11.79. And the second item you can pick up is the Oral-B Sensi Soft toothbrush, the 2 count, priced at $8.59. These two will total $20.38. We have 2 coupons in our app that will double dip. One is a $3 off, and the second one is a 4 off 2. And this second coupon is the coupon I mentioned with the Bottbees toothpaste. That means you have to choose the deal you want to use it on. If you also have a 4 off 20 Crest or Oral-B CRT, it will work with this deal. 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $12, dropping it down to $9.38, and you get 10 back, making these 2 free and 62 cents money maker. The next deal is buy 2 get $2 back, and the Ritz toasted chips are part of this deal. They're on sale for $2 for $8. Pick up 2. We have 2 $1 off TierPad coupon I found in the store that you can use if you have it. That will take off $2, dropping it down to $6, and you get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents on each bag. After the rebate, these 2 will end up costing just $3 or $1.50 each. My next deal is on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They on spend 15 get $6 back, limit of 1 per week. And I'm sharing this deal because the coupons we had that expired on the 19th, today's savings set, we have another coupons in them. Pick up 3 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each. And the 3 will total $17.37. Use 3 of the $3 off CoverGirl Eye coupon in 10/20 savings sets. And also the $3 CoverGirl mystery offer everybody's supposed to receive. That will take off $12, dropping it down to $5.37, and you get 6 back, making all 3 free and 63 cents money maker. My next deal is on Garnier eye makeup remover pads. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2. They are priced at $7.79, and because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.90. Both will total $11.69. Everyone received a new Garnier $2 digital coupon, and in 10/20 savings sets, we have another $2 there that you can use. I also have a 2 of 10 Garnier facial care CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off 6, dropping it down to $5.69, and you get 5 back, making both just 69 cents or 35 cents each. My next deal is spend 10 get 4 back on Neutrogena Acne Care, limit of 1 per week. Pick up the Neutrogena Pink Grapefruit Foaming Scrub, priced at $10.99. I only have a 3 of 10 Neutrogena Facial Care CRT. That will drop it down to $7.99, and you get 4 back, making it just $3.99. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on any Real Technique or Eco Tools. The only item I found close to $10 is the Real Technique Powder Puff Duo, priced at $10.99. Pay the $10.99, or if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. If not, pay the $10.99, get 5 back, making it just $5.99. There are so many buy 1 get 1 free products in this ad cycle, and Irish Spring 3 count bar soap are part of the sale. You can pick up 2. They are priced at $4.69. When you pick up 2, you're only paying for 1. That means these 2 will cost you just $4.69 or $2.35 each. Still on Irish Spring products, the body wash are part of the spend 15 get 5 back limit of 1 per week. They are priced at $7.49, so pick up 2, and these 2 will total $14.98. We currently don't have any coupon in our app for this, but you can check their website. I can't print out any coupon. I've tried in the past. It doesn't work out for me anymore, but you can see if it will work out for you. If not, pay the $14.98 and get 5 back, making both just $9.98 or $4.99 each. Next deal is spend 20 get $10 back on any Shea Moisture hair care. What you can do with this deal if you want to go the cheaper route is to pick up 2 Shea Moisture Defining Styling Gel priced at $9.99 each. Both will total $19.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $13.98 and you get 10 back, making these 2 just $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care. They on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. And the more expensive ones are included. Pick up 2 replumping serum on sale for 2 for $10. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon everybody's supposed to have if you didn't use yours last week. It will drop it down to $7 and you get 2 back, making these 2 just $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $3 back on any Clairol hair colors. Pick up 2 Clairol hair colors priced at $10.49. One should be the nice and easy, and the second one will be the root touch-up. Both will total $20.98. And this deal will be a Sunday only deal because of the coupons we have. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will expire on Sunday. And this paper coupon we got from 10-6 savings set, 5 off 2, will double dip with the digital coupon. And this paper coupon will also expire on Sunday. 2 of them will take off 10, dropping it down to $10.98, and you get 3 back. And submit your receipt to Shopkick for 510 kicks back on each one, 500 kicks for buying it, and 10 kicks for scanning it in the store. That means you will get back 1,020 kicks from Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4.08. After the $3 extra care box and the $4.08 from Shopkick, these 2 will end up costing just $3.90 or $1.95 each. Another way you can do this deal that does not include Shopkick is to pick up the Clairol texture and tones priced at $8.49 each. And both will total $16.98. Using the 5 off 2 digital coupon and the 5 off 2 savings set coupon that will double dip and take off 10, dropping it down to $6.98, and you get 3 back, making both just $3.98 or $1.99 each. My next deal is on Aussie hair care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I shared this deal last week, but I forgot to mention that the $2 CRT that says Pantene or Head and Shoulder is also attaching to these products. Pick up 2. They are priced at $4.99. That means the second one will be $2.50 because of the buy 1 get 1 half off. Both will total $7.49. Use the 2 off 2 CRT, and that will drop it down to $5.49, and you get 4 back, making these 2 just $1.49 or 75 cents each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $4 back on Pantene or Head and Shoulder hair care, but I will share both Pantene and Head and Shoulder, so you have to pick which one you want to do. Starting with the Head and Shoulder, they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and they are priced at $7.99 each. Pick up 2. The first one will be $7.99 and the second one will be $4.79. Both will total $12.78. Use the 2 off 2 CRT if you didn't use it for Aussie. We only have one of these CRT, so you can pick which one you want to do. But if you're using it for the Head and Shoulder, it will take off 2 and drop it down to $10.78, and you get 4 back. Then check your Ibotta, cause mine I have 75 cents back on each, limit of 3. That will give back $1.50. And after the $4 extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you prefer the Pantene hair care, pick up the ones priced at $6.29, and because of the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $3.77. And these two will total $10.06. Use the 2 off 2 CRT and it will drop it down to $8.06 and you get 4 back, making both just $4.06 or $2.03 each. If you like the Axe body spray, they are also on sale for buy one get one free. Pick up 2, priced at $8.29, and because of the buy one get one free, you're just paying for 1. We all received the $7.50 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 79 cents for both or 40 cents each. The next deal I have is spend $25 get $8 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up the Gain detergent on sale for $19.49 and Downy Unstoppable on sale for $6.99. And these two will total $26.49. For the Gain detergent, we have a $4 digital coupon, and for the Downy, we have a $2 digital coupon. That will take off $6, dropping it down to $20.49, and you get 8 back, making both just $12.49 or $6.29 each. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on Ajax Dish Liquid, the 28 ounces. They're on sale for buy one get one free, and also the Palmolive 20 ounces are part of this deal, and I'll explain both. If you want the Ajax, they are priced at $4.19 each, but because of the buy one get one free, you're paying for just one. That will end up making these two just $4.19 or $2.10 each. If you prefer the Palmolive dish soap, they are priced at $4.99. Pick up 2 and pay $4.99, and that will end up making them just $4.99 for both or $2.50 each. If you need a Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of the buy two get $3 back. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $4.29, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.15. Both will total $6.44. We have a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching to them. That will drop it down to $5.49 and you get 3 back, making these two just $2.94 or $1.47 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.